This big bad boy right here is going to be going up against the 1/2 sensor camera on the Autel Evo drone. Are you ready? Before we start this test, I've got 2 t-shirts to give away to 2 of my Patreons. I've got the 3 names of the 3 people that entered. All I have to do is put it in the hat, shake it up, and pull a name. The first name is Elizabeth Painter. The next winner is Dennis. You have won yourself a Drone X Factor t-shirt. So reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Send me your address and I can get these t-shirts off to you. With that being said, guys, if you're not a patron, head over to my Patreon account because I will be giving away 6 drones, either Mavic 2 Pro or Mavic 2 Zoom or Autel Evo. Any one of your choice. I'll be giving away 6 of those 6 months in a row once I hit 1,800 Patreons. All you have to do is head over to my Patreon account and subscribe by sharing and giving me $1. Just my little way of showing to you guys that I appreciate your support and I'm willing to help you guys because not everyone can afford a drone and I'd like to contribute in any which way that I can afford. The only thing I will do is set both cameras to the highest resolution possible and leave everything else in auto mode. Neither of these cameras will have filters, so neither of them have any advantage. They're both as stock as you can get. Starting with the Autel Evo, let's take it up and see what the footage looks like.
This video and all the equipment used has been sponsored by autonomousdroneservices.com for all your aerial professional drone needs.
Few questions. Were you able to tell the difference before I put the name up, which camera was which or which drone was which? Were you able to tell? Be honest. Did you guess right? Be honest. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys are impressed with this 1/2 sensor, because you know what, guys, when the daylight's there, yes, these cameras are supposed to have more dynamic range and all that fun stuff, but in the daytime, is it really that noticeable? Let me know what you guys saw and what you guys think. With that being said, both of these drones are going to go in log profile because they both have true log profiles, unlike the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom and the other 1/2-inch sensor drones that have log profiles. They're not pure true log profiles like this, and that's one of the other reasons why I chose this drone to go up against this bad boy right here. So without further ado, the only thing that I'm going to change is the profile. from none or standard. This comes in standard, this comes in none, and change it from that to log. Both of them have their own log profiles, and that's all that I will do. I will not touch anything else. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Were you able to tell the difference between the two? And my guess is the difference is supposed to be stunning on this camera, because when you put colors on this camera, LUTs, or you start color grading the footage from micro four thirds sensor, then you really see how it stands up and it holds towards editing. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Let me see what you guys say and think in the comment section below. It's not all about what I see or what I think or what I believe. So hit that comment section up. Let me know what you guys think. Let's have a conversation. Keep it non-biased, please. Keep it honest and keep it true. I would really like to thank my sponsors, autonomousdroneservices.com and Bronx Drone Camp, for sponsoring this video by giving us these cool equipment to test and use. The Autel Evo does belong to them, as well as the Inspire 2 with the X5 camera. So thank you, Autonomous Drone Services, as always, as usual. Kevin and the crew down there for always reaching out to me. Do all the cool YouTube stuff. Hit thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like the video, whichever one works for you. And share this video with anyone who you know watches drones or is into any kind of drone content. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys whenever I can, and definitely in the comment section.